It's absolutely insane.
2 down.
1 left.
We've been living in sin so long, all the feels are gone.
Let's go! Just film a bit where we parked. Wow, it's so misty. That's Mam Tor up there. Beautiful. Beautiful scenery. So we're going to do today that's the All Trails #1 walk in the Peak District in Derbyshire, which is Mam Tor, Back Tor, Loose Hill and Castleton Circular. But as you can see behind me, with all the fog and low cloud, we thought we'd give it a chance to clear by doing the circuit in reverse. So we're going to go to Castleton now, maybe get a coffee to warm up, wait for the cloud to clear a bit, and then climb from Loose Hill over to Mam Tor being the last. How it is in the fog that you have no idea where you are. That's why you need GPS. So in keeping with the All Trails theme, this is the All Trails route. You can see that we started here in the National Trust Hill Fort car park from Mam Tor, and we're backtracking, so we should have just gone up Mam Tor and along the ridge line there, but I'm going to go the other way, backtrack, and see if we can't get rid of some of that. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we'll get some views at the end of the day. Morning, ladies.
Like the Oxford boy.
Oh, yeah. Because we were going camping. I think they were as well, so they saw our kit.
Yeah.
Ooh. This is it. This is us going down into, what's it called? Cave Dale, I think it's called. How would you rate the #1 walk in the Peak District so far?
Wow.
I mean, we are doing it on a weekend in the winter. So far, it's just been fields.
Yeah, I think because we're doing it
in reverse, yeah.
It's slightly different.
Yeah. Always check behind you. Yeah, still no views. Yeah. To be fair, the trail's pretty good so far.
Although
we're a bit muddy already.
I don't know how I managed to get all the way here.
The one day we didn't wear gaiters. Genius. Oh my god, I see some sun.
Oh, is that a miracle?
Oh my goodness. I think our plan's going to work. What's wrong?
What's up?
What's going on?
That way if you want to.
Yeah, you all right there?
Good
Yeah.
sign, that is.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, you're struggling a bit.
No, I'm good. I'm good.
All right.
Are we going in the right direction?
Yes,
You sure?
I am sure.
There we go.
Oh, look. Aha. Castleton, 2.2 kilometres. Let's go.
Is it definitely the right way?
Well, I mean, use your navigational skills and tell
I
me.
think it's that way.
Well, I think this is the beginning of Cave Dale. Oh, thank you. It's kind. Ooh. Right. Ooh.
It's very busy. I think we are getting into the good views now, past the farm fields.
half of the village is coming up.
Really?
Have a look.
Oh my god, it is busy.
But you notice everyone's doing the reverse, like of what we're doing.
We're just different. We
400
build
IQ.
different.
There's a castle.
Cool. Oh, we're going straight through the...
Go down a river.
I don't know why I'm extra careful. It's very pretty. You can hear a...
Yeah, I think it's because underneath here there's caverns and they do tours and they take a little boat and it goes underneath. And you-
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
The entrance is next to Mam Tor.
Really?
Yeah.
Go with the boat under the... like in a
Yeah.
cave?
Yeah.
Oh, that would be so cool. That's pretty cool. What? What did you find? A cave. A mini cave.
Mini cave.
Wow. Everyone goes for a nice walk.
And actually this is the most popular trail in the Peak District.
That in the distance, I think it's Peveril Castle. Is that correct? It's named Peveril Castle?
Peveril, yeah.
Peveril.
I think that's the pronunciation. Norman Castle.
You want a coffee?
I don't want a coffee, I'm full English breakfast.
My stomach is rumbling.
Going down into Castleton.
Oh yes, you can just see the buildings. Castleton. Cafe, here we come. What do you think of the hike so far?
I like that bit.
Yeah,
That was nice.
that was nice. Cave Dale.
Cutting through an ancient reef. Oh, it used to be an ancient reef. The more you know.
Anyway, let's get to the business.
Yeah,
Full English breakfast.
Morning.
Morning. How was your breakfast?
Oh, just what we needed. If you're ever doing this hike or in Castleton, definitely, what is it called?
Peveril
Tea Rooms.
Tea Room, exactly like the castle.
It was brilliant. They were really friendly, really helpful, really nice. Definitely recommend it.
Absolutely. It's a farm shop.
And then honestly,
Oh, it's like a...
see, like they have some stuff in that hut back there. You just drop your money in.
I love that.
So we go up there. That's Lewes Hill. So we go kind of a zigzag up there, and then across there, all the way along there, up to Mam Tor, which is just in the trees.
Oh,
there.
going that way.
Yeah, and then back down.
Oh. Let's go home.
This looks like a nice one.
I told you.
This is our exit.
Quarter.
Yes, 1 1/4. Let's go. Just came down this road, seen the sign, go this way.
This is a test for your weight.
This is, oh no, I don't think I'm going to fit after that breakfast.
Just about.
Just about.
Here comes the sun. Doo-doo-doo-doo. It's so muddy. Huge mistake that we didn't took the gators with us. I don't even want to come dirty here. Oh, disgusting.
Quite windy up here, but the stone paths are nice. Nice views. I've just about made it to the top of Loose Hill, finally. It was quite hard going in the mud. Loose Hill. Now we're going down there. Over there is the Kinder Plateau. Over there, look.
Wow, so windy. Oh, actually, it's worth it. It's a bit more sheltered down here.
It's a bit windy.
It's part of the journey.
Part of the experience. And if you haven't already, give us a cheeky subscribe, little like, you know what I'm saying, little comment. It all helps.
Yes.
And this is Back Tor. So we made it halfway from Loose Hill just there. And this is Back Tor. And then we've got Mam Tor there, but this is the Great Ridge market. 2 down.
1 left.
Yep.
If you like socializing and you want to meet new friends, new people, definitely that's the hike for you. Otherwise, if you want to be with your own thoughts in nature, maybe come here during the week.
Almost there. First sighting of the trick point. We did it. Some pretty views up here, but very windy and busy. Back to the car.
Back to the car.
Rating?
6.5.
That's fair.
Yours?
7.
You always want to be better than me. Welcome to Big District. Welcome to England.